we have here a giant Amazon box. I'm super excited to open up this product. Wonder what it is. Oh, look at all more packaging. Alright, looks like there's another box here. We have something from Yeedi. Yep, we got another box. There you go, Yeedi. Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Nathan, this is Roadmasters. So we got Yeedi. I want to thank them for sending me this product out for a review. This is actually a cheap robot vacuum. I think it's like $200, but I have a $40 coupon down below in my description box, so you can save $40. So it's like $159. Not too bad for a basic robot vacuum. Has a handheld remote. Has some cool clean patterns like a dedicated edge mode. So let's check out this $150, $200 vacuum. Okay, let's start from the top here. As you can see, the box is fairly plain. There's nothing too crazy about it. Okay, so we got this little open tab. Let's go ahead and get this guy open. Let's see if I can do this with one shot here. Nope, absolute fail. Yeah, I don't think this is how you open up a box. Looks like we have a basic cardboard box there. We have a nice padding. And here's the robot, guys. Very plain looking robot. Let's see if we can get this guy open here for you. Alright, watch me struggle. There you go. Nothing too fancy about this guy. Has a very clean look, and you have a single button right there. And then there's underneath the robot. Here are the two side brushes. Look at this. This actually has a really long brush, and then there's two on the shorter ends on the side. Very unique design. Comes with two AAA batteries for the handheld remote. You got the instruction manual, so make sure you guys read that. Charging cradle. This guy opened up for you. Get out of there. Very cool. Nothing too fancy, just a typical charger. And you got your power brick. This guy works overseas as well, 100 to 240 volts, very cool. Some other accessories. You got your cleaning brush and your remote. Get this guy open. Very clean remote, has some basic functions. I'm excited to try this out. Get the side brushes installed. So here's a typical look underneath the robot, and they should just snap in. Very simple. Get the other side here. Robot looks like we got 3 clip sensors. Got that dual side brush. We have a combo style brush bar, and we got the wheels. They're adjustable. Can you guys see that? They're a little small though, so we'll see how well it does over thresholds. Let's go ahead and check out the dustbin. Here's the look at the dustbin. Looks like a decent size. Check out the filter. One unique thing about the filter is actually a 2-part system. So here's the main filter. And you see that black part? That's a secondary kind of mesh filter right there. So it's a very unique design. So the black part goes right about there. And then you can just put the main filter over the black part. Very simple. To install the dustbin, just go ahead and slide back in and push towards the robot. Seems like it's ready to go. Let's go ahead and get this guy charged up, and we'll see how well it does clean my house. Okay, so one thing to note is this robot actually has 2 ways to charge up. You use the charging cradle, or you can actually charge directly to the robot. There's actually a slot right here. You guys see that? And just go ahead and plug it in, and it should start charging up your robot. Also, there's a physical power switch. I like this because if you're going away from a trip, you can actually shut the robot off, so start draining its battery. Looks like it's all booted up and ready to go. Next, let's check the home features, see how well the robot can return back to its docking station. Now, for these types of robot vacuums, you want to keep them in the open area, the charging bays, so they have the best chance of trying to redock themselves. The robot will continue bouncing around your home until it finds its docking station. I believe it uses an infrared beam that shoots out about 12 feet away from the docking station, so it gives it the best chance for the robot to find the dock. It does a decent job docking both on hardwood floors and carpeting. There's a hole on top of the docking station. This is where you can put the handheld remote. Next, we'll check out the edge mode. The robot will seek out the wall and fall on the right side of the robot, cleaning along the edges. One thing to know is the robot will continue in this mode until either the battery's dead or you perform a different function. Let's test out the cleaning ability of this robot. Press it once for normal mode. Press the play and pause button twice for turbo mode. The robot is quite quiet at 55 decibels. The robot performs best in a smaller area, so what I usually do is block off a certain area and have the robot just clean. In this demonstration, I had it clean for about 20 minutes. The robot will perform several different cleaning patterns. They do a wall edge pattern. It also will do a back and forth kind of random pattern as well. The battery life is about 110 minutes on its normal mode. The K600 will do a mixture of back and forth cleaning pattern and an edge sweep. So, would I recommend this robot? Well, it depends on what you want to use the robot for. The K600 is designed for smaller areas, maybe 1200 square feet or less. Also, one thing to note is try to keep the charger in an open area so the robot has the best chance of finding the charger. The K600 is perfect for like a single room dorm or maybe a couple room apartment. My floor plan is about 2800 square feet, so what I usually do is just take it to a single room and close out the door. I let the robot run for about 100 to 110 minutes, that's when the battery quits, and the robot will just sit there, or if you bring the charger to the room, it will actually return back to its dock station. Because this is a random navigating robot, it has its limitations on its larger floor plans, 1200 square feet or greater, but for small areas, it covers the area more than once. So in this test, I want to see how well the robot will do trying to find its charging base with some obstacles in the way. Okay, here's a quick look at just how much it picked up. So if you like this type of video, please smash the like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nathan. I do get a lot of new products on this channel every month or so, and this is something that K600 sent me, or Yeedi, and I want to thank them again for sending me this product. So you guys have a great rest of your day, and check out the link if you're interested in this product, and see you later.